Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine and my student ID is 2510999041. In this video, I'll be presenting my college project on smart home automation, which is built using Cisco Packet Tracer with MQTT as the communication protocol. The goal of this project is to simulate a real-world smart home system where devices like fans, uh, door, lamp, furnace, humidifier, etc., and sensors such like uh, and a temperature monitor and humidity monitor are all connected and controlled over a network using the IoT capabilities of Cisco Packet Tracer. Before we dive into the demo, let me quickly explain what is MQTT. MQTT stands for Message Queuing Telemetry Transport. It is a lightweight publish subscribe messaging protocol designed specifically for IoT devices. In this model, devices don't communicate directly with each other. Instead, they publish messages to a central broker and other devices or controllers subscribe to receive those messages. In Cisco Packet Tracer, the IoT server acts as an MQTT broker, and here we have used a laptop as the broker and smartphone as the client. All smart devices in the home connect to this broker over Wi-Fi, and the homeowner can monitor and control everything through the smartphone or a home gateway. Now here is the complete network topology of my smart home setup. At the center we have DLC 100, which is the home gateway, and it provides wireless connectivity to all the IoT devices. The laptop is my MQTT broker, which is connected via the home gateway. This smart home includes a smart fan which can be turned on or off and adjusted, and I have put some conditions for the same. This is a smart door lock, a temperature monitor, a humidity monitor, a furnace, humidifier. Then we have a speaker, a lamp, and a smartphone. All these devices are registered on the server and communicate using the MQTT protocol over this local network. Let me show you how each device is configured. Now, as I click on this fan, here in config you can see in wireless the SSID is smart home, and for this I've disabled the authentication. In settings too, you can see the default gateway address, and we can also see its IP address. Now same for home speaker config. In wireless you can see the SSID smart home, and this is its IP address. For humidity monitor, it's the same. Then for garage door, same. Then temperature monitor, lamp, this is my furnace, this is my laptop. In IP config you can see this is my smartphone. Now in laptop, as you can see here, I have MQTT broker. I've made this laptop the MQTT broker, and here in smartphone it's the MQTT client. Now let me show you it's working. For laptop, let's go here MQTT, and the username is admin, password is admin. Now we'll add it, and it's showing the admin added admin as an authorized user. Now let's move to smartphone, MQTT client. Let's put in the broker address. First let's check the IP address of laptop. That would be our broker address. Now as you can see, after making the connection, we have two columns here: subscription and publish. Let's say this is the client and I'm putting home fan, and I'm subscribing to it. Now here I can control it. Now for topic publish, I have home, fan, and payload I'm saying on. Now you can see here in messages it's showing that topic fan and payload on. Now I can do the same with others, like saying lamp subscribe, and here I'm doing lamp publish, it is set to on. Same we can do with off, publish, it's showing off. Now apart from that, here in smartphone, let's go to IoT monitor, login, and these are all my devices: fan, speaker, garage door, humidifier, furnace, monitor. Now I have put up some conditions here that if the humidity in the monitor is less than 30%, then the humidifier status would set to true and it will turn on. Similarly, for fan, I've put it key if the temperature monitor shows a reading between 18 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius, the fan status is set to low and furnace to false. If it is greater than 25 degrees Celsius, then fan is set to high and furnace is set to false. And if the temperature is less than 18 degrees Celsius, then fan is set to off and furnace is set to and the furnace is on. Now let me show you. Now as you can see here, the temperature reading is 17.66 degrees Celsius. So that means the fan is off as it is less than 18 degrees Celsius. And as it is less than 18 degrees Celsius, the furnace is turned on. Similarly, for humidity monitor, the humidity is less than 30%. So that's why humidifier is turned on. Now let me show you how I can turn on other devices. This is my garage door. It is off right now, but now I will click here and it's on. Then I'm going to turn it off. Then we have lamp. First the lamp is off, as you can see. Now if I click here to dim, it will turn on and now it's fully on. Then let's turn it off. Then let's go to fan. We can't keep it low or high because it depends on the temperature. As now temperature is between 18 to 25, it is turned to low speed. Now if I press high, it will not turn on, or it will not be at high speed because the temperature reading is less than 25 as we've specified in the conditions. And this is how the owner can control everything via the smartphone, and this is how the simulation works. Thank you.